Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
There's nothing quite like a perfectly soft-boiled egg with its wonderfully runny yolk and creamy texture. It's a simple pleasure, perfect for breakfast or adding to your favorite dishes. Many people think they're tricky to make, but I promise you, they're surprisingly easy. Let's dive in and learn how to make them just right every single time. Before we start cooking, let's gather our few essential items. You'll need some fresh eggs, of course, a small saucepan, and enough water to cover them. A slotted spoon can be really useful for gently lowering the eggs into the water. And perhaps most importantly, make sure you have a dependable timer ready to go, as timing is absolutely crucial for that perfect runny yolk. Okay, let's get that water going. Fill a small saucepan with enough water so it can cover your eggs completely, then bring it to a strong, rolling boil over high heat. Once it's bubbling nicely, carefully lower your eggs, one at a time, into the boiling water using a slotted spoon. Be sure they are fully submerged, which helps them cook evenly. Now for the most critical part, the timing. For a classic, very runny yolk, cook your eggs for exactly 5 minutes. If you prefer a slightly thicker, jammy yolk, aim for about 5.5 to 6 minutes. As soon as your timer goes off, carefully remove the eggs from the hot water. Immediately plunge them into a bowl of ice water. This stops the cooking and makes them easier to peel. Once cooled, it's time to peel and enjoy. A helpful trick is to gently tap the whiter end of the egg on a hard surface, then carefully peel it under cool running water. This really helps the shell come off smoothly. Serve your beautiful soft-boiled eggs simply with a pinch of salt and pepper, on buttered toast, or even nestled into a bowl of ramen. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly cooked creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.